we all have seen the scenes of deforestation happening in Hyderabad, and it is so sad. And it brings me to question my own self, that wasn't government elected to protect us, protect the forest, protect the ecosystem? On what cost and what basis do politicians really adapt all these unethical ways where the peacocks are crying, the deers are running, they have no homes? And why? And even though the students, the teachers have been the only sensible people protesting against this, like heroes and inspiration to everyone in the city, you are literally bashing them, beating them out, and saying, oh, we have not done it. So it's a shame. I think it's the high time that we raise our voice against any injustice happening, take a little inspiration from the amazing students and faculty, their support for these causes, and save our own ecosystem, save our own environment, save our own animals, protect them, and not let them go homeless. It's a shame on our country that we can let our national bird cry like that in tears, and tears just running away here and there, don't know where to go because your home is already not there. So I think it's high time that we as citizens take a power in our own hand, raise voice against injustice, and definitely there's going to be a change. And I'm hoping that this halt would be stopped forever.